Yeah. Most of y'all know me as D-Billions, man. Brayden, Oliver, Knase now. I'm getting baked. Getting baked, nigga. I feel like Billy Crock in this bitch. Let's go.
Yeah, it's 420. I'm getting baked. Y'all got that sneaker reefer. That should be laced. You know I chief on reefer. Take it to the face, and then I be the diva. Your beats by Dr. Dre. Let's roll this piff. Get it out the way. I was just at the crib, and now I'm out of space. I'm talking Neptune. My nigga Lee was poppin' Kung Fu Panda when we kick it. Bamboo is the only option. Bitch, I'm from Harlem, and you don't want them problems. We be baking and we banging, twisting up like we from Compton. I'm getting baked. What you smoking on? Maui, Wowie, room all cloudy. Yo, unplug them smoke alarms. Billy Dynamite, yeah, I smoke that bomb. Ran out of papers, no worries. I got that bomb. You always coughing, dog. That's cause you smoking wrong. Dog, that's what I'm hoping for. Bring out what I need to keep the money.